In this course, you will gain special skills that are needed for data science. According to many different rankings, data scientist is the #1 job nowadays. It combines both high salaries and also solving interesting problems. We will cover some of the most famous Python libraries for data science, such as NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Seaborn, and also Matplotlib and much more. Now we will install Python with Anaconda and also open Jupyter Notebook to explore it. Just a short introduction before we get started. So what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a distribution of Python. This means it includes not only Python but many libraries that we use in this course. It's an all-in-one install that is extremely popular in data science and machine learning. Now, what is Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter is a development environment where we can write code, display images, and write markdown notes. It is most popular IDE in data science for exploring and analyzing data. It is also a great learning tool. Now let's go to anaconda.com and download the newest version. Here you have Anaconda for everything: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now let's click on the version we want and download it. Now let's click on the file and install it. Now let's click Next, then I agree, and then Next, and then one more time Next, and here you should check both boxes and install it. Now when you search for Anaconda in your computer, you will find Anaconda Navigator. Let's press it. After that, you will see a bunch of applications. From those, you should choose Jupyter Notebook. This will start a notebook server on your machine, and now it automatically opens a browser. Now let's create a Python notebook where we can code easily. Here, press New and then Python. We can save it with the name we want. Let's call it First Project. Let's go to File, then Save As, and type here First Project and save. Now let's try if it works. Let's type here something like print hello Python. And let's run it with the command Shift plus Enter. And here's the answer. So we installed it successfully. In order to run the code, you can press here Run, or you can press command Shift plus Enter. Let's type here something like Python print data science and press Shift plus Enter. So here's the result. Thanks and see you in the next video. Bye!